Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through the simple steps you need to follow to enable alerts for related to you and your posts on the X app. If you've ever wanted to stay updated whenever something relevant happens around your posts, this is exactly what you need. Let's get started right away. First, pick up your phone and open your settings. This is where you'll control all the apps installed on your device, as well as their permissions and notifications. Scroll down until you find the section called Apps and tap on it. Next, look for the X app in your list of installed applications. Once you've located it, tap on it to open its individual settings page. This is where you'll be able to manage everything that has to do with the app, including data, permissions, and most importantly, notifications. Now, tap on Notifications. Here, you'll see all the different types of notifications the X app can send to your phone. By default, some of these may already be turned on, but the one we're looking for is a little deeper in the settings. From here, tap on Notification Categories. This section breaks down every type of notification the app can generate. You'll notice several categories depending on what features you use, and each one can be controlled individually. Look for the category that says Related to You and your posts. This option specifically handles alerts whenever someone interacts with the content you post, or when activity is directly connected to you. Tap on it to open the settings for this category. Finally, select Alert. By doing this, you're choosing to make sure these notifications don't get silenced or hidden. Instead, you'll get proper alerts every time something happens related to you or your posts, ensuring you never miss anything important. And that's it. With just a few quick steps, you've successfully enabled alerts for related to you and your posts on the X app. Now you'll always be notified of activity that matters most to you and keeps you connected in real time. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to apply these changes so you can stay on top of your notifications and never miss a thing.